Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off announce calls for FaceTime on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we swipe up to go down and tap on FaceTime. Next, tap on Announce Calls. And in here, if you want to turn off announce calls for FaceTime, you would select Never. So never announce incoming calls on FaceTime. Otherwise, you can choose Always. So always announce incoming calls. Or you can select Announce call when connected to headphones in car, or when connected to headphones only. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.